And welcome to Grandad's Reviews, and for another 2-minute tips and tricks. So you've got your new camera and you're just using it for taking your snaps. You've got it set with your shutter speed set to A for automatic. You've set your auto white balance to auto. You've set ISO to auto, and all you're doing is adjusting the aperture yourself, so you're in aperture priority. You've got your aperture wide open, and obviously you're taking shots, and you notice that the ISO's picking the lowest ISO, the 160 that you've set as your lowest, and I've got high as 800, and you take a photo. It's fine. Put it somewhere else. 160 again, 450, so it's ISO 160, it's fine. Then you point it somewhere a bit brighter, and you go to take a shot. Shutter speed's still 950, but ISO's 320. Okay, surely it'd be 160. Because I've told it to use the lowest ISO in my auto ISO settings. You may not even notice, you might just take some shots, get them back into Lightroom or whatever editing software and think, why has it picked 320? And the reason it will be is in the menus. If I look in the Q menu, there's my auto ISO, but I've got dynamic range on auto. And if you've got dynamic range on auto or 200 or 400, that will override your auto ISO. Because if the camera detects a high dynamic range shot that you're about to take, and it picks dynamic range 200 for say, 200 it can only use with an ISO of 320 or greater. If it picks 400, it'll be 640 or greater. On the previous X cameras it was 400 and 800. So if you want to use the full ISO range you've selected in auto ISO, you need to have dynamic range set to 100, and also your dynamic range priority needs to be off, because if that's in any of those, including auto, it will do the same thing. So now with that set, it will now pick 160. So if you're finding you're getting a higher ISO than what you've set in the auto ISO, just check you've not got those settings, the dynamic range set to auto or 200 or 400, and the dynamic range priority is off and not on one of its settings. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see any more 2-minute tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when more videos come out, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.